Hello dear students, I am Varun Nishad from LBM Public School. In this video, we are discussed about the remaining part of colloids. So dear students, we are discussed in previous classes about the nature of colloids, definition of colloids, properties of colloids, and in this video we are discussed about taste of colloids and application of colloids. Taste of colloids. Taste of colloids. So first and only one important thing to taste of this colloids, take a colloidal solution. Colloidal solution. Yeah. Otherwise, you will take any solution, and pass the torch light. Torch light. Pass the torch light on this solution, and after passing this torch light into this solution, you will see the path of light become visible. Path of light become visible, and particles of dispersed phase, Dear student, the science is based on terminology. So, dispersed phase, especially in case of colloids, these are the solute particles in case of solution, and these are the dispersed phase, these are the particles which are mixed and they are present in a very low proportion. And particles of dispersed phase are scattered the beam of light. ये beam of light को scatter करेंगे, and path of light become visible. जो path होता है light का, you are very known about the property of light. The first thing is that the light travel from source to object in a very straight line. So we can taste the colloidal solution with the help of torch or with the help of a material through which the torch or any source of light that can be focused on the particular these solutions, through which we can also observe this activity or movement of this dispersed phase of particles. So we can observe this. When this phenomenon is happened, path of light become visible, and similarly particles of dispersed phase are scattered. The beam of light and is called this scattering of light. And this phenomena, that is path of light become visible and the scattering of light is observed by this phenomena is observed by Tyndall. First observed by Tyndall. He was a scientist, and after his honor, we are regarded as regard as Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. Regard as Tyndall effect. Now, after that, we have discussed about the application of colloids. Application of colloids. Application of colloids. So first thing is that in medicine there is a various type of application in our daily life from this colloidal mixture. First thing is in medicine. Dear friend, in medicine, the colloidal mixture is used as they are quickly absorbed by body tissue. Means that when we intake the colloidal based medicine, are easily absorbed by our body tissue. And for example, colloidal sulfur, colloidal sulfur, calcium, silver and gold, which medicines or their assets are very expensive, बहुत costly होती हैं, very expensive, but they are very expensive. They are highly effective in the treatment. So colloidal mixture is used as medicine, and these medicines are quickly absorbed by the body tissue or cells. For example, colloidal sulfur, calcium, and silver and gold acids are used to make a colloidal solution, and they are used in the treatment of different types of diseases. So, one more most important example, that is antacid, gel, and you know that antacid gel is used in treatment of hyperacidity. The person is suffering from hyperacidity, which use antacid, and the antacid gel is very effective during the treatment of hyperacidity. Laxative medicine, which are help in the treatment of constipation, which are help. The doctor suggests to take some powder with warm water, with cold water, and the powder and cold water, they form the colloidal solution, and these goes to our intestine. They perform good bowel movement, and we have take relief from constipation. So, dear student, there is a very important vital role in our body system by the colloidal medicine. Now take another in the food. In food. In food. Many food items are in form of colloids, and these colloids are in, for example, milk, very nutritive except vitamin C. It contains all nutrients which are required for our body. Solution of protein is example of colloidal solution. Solution of protein. Solution of starch. Solution of starch. Milk, solution protein, solution of protein, solution of starch, and jellies and ice cream, cheese, butter. These are the colloidal solution, colloidal mixture, and these are very nutritive, and they are supposed to building block of our body. So these food items are good example of colloids that are very nutritive, and they are supporting vital health for human. So food, the colloids are also play important role in the form of food. And curd, these all colloids, ये सारे के सारे colloids होते हैं. Curd, colloid solution. Now in cleaning action. In cleaning action. Cleaning action. Dear student, you know about the soap. You will use the soap in your bathing to remove and washing the cloth, to remove oil and greases from the cloth. Soap solution is act as colloidal solution. So in this way, the colloidal mixture are also used in cleaning agent. So these are the soap solution is used to removing dust from our body, and detergent soap are used to wash the cloth, washing cloths to remove oil and greases. Soap solutions is act as colloidal solution. So importance of colloid in our cleaning agent. Now in production of rubber, in production of rubber. Rubber is made up from plant latex, and latex is colloidal solution. So importance of colloidal in production of rubber. So colloidal are also important role in the production of rubber. And when you try to dissolve this rubber, it mixes with water, but not it remain dispersed. So in this way, we can say that rubber is mixed with water, but it forms colloidal mixture. And so dear student, formation of delta, from where the river is fall in the formation of delta. Formation of delta is when the river water is gone or fall in sea, and on the bank of sea, they form delta of muddy water, and they contain clay particles. Similarly, these are deposition of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, deposition of sodium chloride and potassium chloride bed, and they are source of rock salt and common salt. So there is an importance of formation of delta.